guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing jumbo box braids with beads. I started with some parting. I am rushing, getting ready to go. To define my parts, I put this on there. Excuse my face, it's in the morning. Like, watch how I transform. Go from ugly to I'm that bitch. Period. Bands, I oil them so to protect my hair from breakage. Because my hair is thin. You know, everybody got one of these. And no, this ain't a toothbrush that you brush with your teeth. No. So don't even try to play me like that. Don't play me like that. Now, when I get to here, I start molding. I think I'm liking. It this way. Boom, 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 boom. This is the hair that I'm using. So these little baby hairs or whatever can stay in place. I take some of this. This is what it looks like on this section. This would be cute. Okay, so I'll be back when I get closer to the top. This is the progress I have so far. So Ooh. So back to the top. And so I braid it down before I start crossing over here, and then I incorporate some of it into the short piece, which is my actual hair. So I don't transfer hair to connect 3 long pieces. I just braid my hair down first, and then, ooh, and I'm thinking about putting beads on the end of them just to spice it up. Just something I've always wanted to try. I think it looks really cute, especially like I have like 3 different kinds. So what I do is take this, and this is mine, and I just wrap it around. And once I flip my hands over so I can start the braid down, that's when I transfer. So I just pull. I don't know, I have to feel it. I can't tell you necessarily how many. I just do it to, and I transfer all the way down the braid for consistency of a braid until I like it. Until I like it. And I know like some of my beads are gonna hang. It's gonna be like layers in some parts, and that's fine with me. And transfer, bring it down. And I feel like anyone could do these. Like, I try to tell my sister to do her hair, and she talking about she don't know how to braid. I told her watch YouTube videos. YouTube helps you. Everything, every style that I want to create on myself or on a client, any nails that I want to do, I just watch YouTube. And I watch that video probably 3 or 4 times just to know like what detail I really want in there. There's probably like 4 or 5 details that you look at when someone's doing the style. And if you want that exact detail, watch a video. Watch it over and over and over. Over and over and over. This one I'm gonna transfer before I flip. Just because that piece of hair of mine wasn't as thick. When they're thick, you don't really have to transfer till you braid it halfway down, because the consistency of your braid is going to be there.
Consistency is only better. Thank you or whatever. Thank you or whatever. Ooh. And this is why I love to part, because all you have to do is part it, get the hair, you're good. You ain't gotta part, worry about a part, no. I even
that's it, and that's all, folks. I will come back in, and I've added all my accessories and stuff, and got this going. Season.